Model, 67-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 Maxi Life 2.0TDI 102PS BMT EU6 needs turbo bargain. Body, silver, MPV. Mileage, 187,288. MOT, the 28th of September 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Turbo fault code. The engine starts perfectly and idles correctly, straightforward. Simple turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, air con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail,